You will not find a video like this, because I'm going to reveal what is your ticket number and how you can take benefit from your ticket number. So, you know what happens then in life when we are born, there are certain vibrations in this universe with the planets, and all these vibrations are being absorbed in our DNA without knowing. We don't even know that. That's why always we write on which day you born, which time you are born, and when you are born at that time, you know that ticket number is being imprinted in your DNA, and you know that, but without knowing it that you have got a ticket number. Now, if you have to go to India, what you will do? You will book a flight, right? And once you will book a flight, you will buy a ticket as per your capacity. You will say, okay, I'll go in economic class, or maybe I'll go in a business class. So prices are different, right? And once you will board the plane, the air hostess will guide you, sir, this is your seat, you are sitting here, and then they will give you the meals according to your seat numbers. So similar way, what happens in our life based on our karmas, we come from the past life. We have lived one life, and after finishing that life, when we reborn again, we carry forward that karmas with us, and these karmas are nothing, that's the money you buy your ticket for the future, for the next birth, right? So if your karmas are good in your past life, it means you will get a good ticket for this life. If your karmas are bad, you will get a bad ticket. So it all is based on the vibrations, based on the karmas, what ticket you get. And based on that, what happens? That your life starts. Sometimes you say that even the twin brothers, if you compare them, one life is good. Both are born on the same day. Both are born, just 1 or 2 minute difference, and still their life are different. One is good, one is bad, or maybe both are good. We don't know. But I'm just giving you an example. If I take a case study of my client, he has 2 kids, right? One kid is very intelligent, very good. The other kid doesn't even listen, don't do anything. Do you know the reason why? When people come to me and ask for the numerology consultation, they say, now you say based on the date of birth, how, their life are different, because they both are born on the same day. Then I explain them because of their name vibrations. Because if one name is Simon and another name is Peter, both names are different, and because of the different vibrations they are carrying it, they have got different life altogether. We sometimes take it very leniently, okay, our parents have given a name, that's fine. But if we understand the logic behind it, the science behind it, we can take benefit from these numbers. And that's why I always say it is better to keep the right name vibrating with your date of birth, because if you keep the right name which is vibrates with your date of birth, then you can get easy success, you can get a smooth life, happiness, love, whatever you desire for. Of course, you have to do the karmas, you have to do the hard work, but these things will smoothen your life. Now, if you ask me that my name is already being done, right? My name is Peter, what can I do now? Can you help me to get some good vibrations? Yes, we can, and that's what we do. What we take, we will ask your date of birth, and then we will take your name, and we will match your name with your date of birth, that whether your ticket number is matching with your name or not. And if it matches, we tell you that there's no need for the name chip. It could be something else, maybe your mobile number, maybe your house number, maybe your car number, or maybe something else which is troubling you. So that we analyze it through our calculations. But if your name is not vibrating on the right vibrational number, then we suggest you a different name. And when we suggest the name, we don't change the name completely. What we do, we just take little bit vibrational alphabets, that which helps you a lot. Like if I say in Peter, if I put double T and it gives you more power and more energy, that will change your name. So still you're calling yourself Peter, but we have changed just the spelling of it, and then we energize your name. So that's how you get the number vibrations. And besides that, there are number of calculations which we do, and we tell you that which numbers are good for you, which numbers are bad, so that if anything important is coming up in your life, you know that this date is not good for me, so you will not do that work on that day. So that's how the numerology works, and that's how I help people, that it is important to understand the vibration of numbers and how to take benefit from it. I hope you will understand this by now, but if you want to know more, you can contact me. My WhatsApp number, my mobile number, everything is written below. The link is also given on my website as well. You can follow me on the Instagram and on my YouTube channel, Energy Awakening. I have provided a lot of information on different date of births. So I hope you will take benefit from it. Till then, bye bye.